Hi, welcome to The Point. My name is Chad Laird. I'm the technical sales manager here at Setpoint with the isolation valve and automation vertical. I'm here with my colleagues, Irfan Sheikh and Justin Schubert, both part of our new product sales team with IVA. Let's jump into it. Justin, I heard you on the phone the other day. You had an upset customer. Can you tell me what was going on?
Yeah, the customer's having a big issue. One of their MOV actuators is acting up and torque tripping out. They're really struggling to figure out what the problem is with it.
What brand actuator are they using?
Unfortunately, it's not a Rotork.
That's too bad. If it was an Rotork IQ series, they have a data logger and a torque profile they can download. It'll help them with the troubleshooting their issues.
Yeah, and Rotork now has the IAM report, which is an intelligent asset management tool that you can use the same data loggers that you downloaded to the actuator. We send those reports over to Rotork, and we provide a report back to our customers that give basically a health score on how the actuator is doing. It takes into consideration the torque profile, the contactor starts, the temperature, and the vibration, and gives a great report back to them that they can use in the future.
That sounds like a great tool to have. It could help with unplanned outages and downtime.
That's right. I mean, we've got several customers that are using it now. They're using it to help prepare themselves for repairing their actuators in these turnarounds, whether it's repairing or replacing or even just doing preventative maintenance.
It's a smart way to take care of your maintenance and save on your resources.
Definitely. I'll mention it to the customer. Having the data logger and IAM reports is a good asset to have.
Absolutely. Having that information will be very valuable to them. This has been The Point. Again, my name is Chad Laird. Please let me know if you need any help with any Rotork actuators or IAM reports. We'll be glad to help you out. Thank you.